Identifying a rough diamond at home might seem difficult, but with a few simple tests, you can quickly determine whether your stone is real or fake. Real rough diamonds have unique physical and optical properties that make them stand out from other minerals. Here are 10 easy and effective methods you can perform at home without professional tools. Number 1. The scratch test. Hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching the surface of glass or quartz using your rough stone. Real diamond, it scratches glass easily without getting damaged. Fake stones, they may leave no mark or get scratched themselves. Number 2. The sandpaper test. Use 600 to 1200 grit sandpaper. Rub the stone lightly. Real diamond, it will not scratch, fade or lose its shine. Fake stones, they show scratches or surface damage. Number 3. Transparency test. Place the stone on a printed paper or text. Real rough diamonds are mostly cloudy inside and do not let text be seen clearly. Fake crystals, often transparent enough that you can see letters through them. Number 4. Water float test. Fill a glass with water and drop your stone inside. Real diamond will always sink because it has high density. Fake stones, some lighter stones may float or sink slowly. 5. Fog test. Breathe warm air on the stone. Real diamond clears instantly, within 1 second. Fake stones stay foggy for a few seconds because they retain heat. Number 6. Shape and form inspection. Most real rough diamonds appear as octahedral, cubic, or triangular crystal shapes. Fake stones or quartz often lack these natural geometric forms. Number 7. Oil test. Place a drop of olive oil on the stone and wipe it. Real diamond keeps its shine strongly. Fake stones lose brightness or look dull. 8. UV light test. Under a UV light, black light, real diamonds often glow blue. Fake stones may glow green, yellow, or show no reaction. Note, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test supports the result, but does not confirm alone. Number 9. Heat resistance test. Heat the stone with a lighter for 10 seconds, then drop it into cold water. Real diamond will not crack, high thermal resistance. Fake stones, quartz or glass may crack or shatter. 10. Inclusion and sparkle test. Use a strong flashlight. Real rough diamonds show sharp internal reflections, natural inclusions, and a metallic-like sparkle. Fake stones often show rainbow-like reflections similar to glass. Final tips: use multiple tests together for best accuracy. Fake stones can sometimes pass 1 or 2 tests, but real diamonds pass all. For 100% confirmation, a gemologist test is recommended.